Being comfortable on the greens includes knowing the rules and what you can and can't do. Now, between you and the hole, there may be some marks on the green. They could be spike marks. You can't touch those. They could be indentations of a general nature. You can't touch those. But you can repair ball marks. Here's a ball mark here. Now just don't go straight in and repair it. First you have to make sure with your opponent or playing partner, is that a ball mark? If they agree, then you can go ahead and repair it. And the manner in which you do this is also very important. Use a tool that's been designed for the job and take care to do it properly. Not only for your putt, but for the good keeping of the green in general. So you've repaired the mark, you're allowed to tap it down, and then you can go back with the job of trying to hold that putt, and you've followed the rules exactly.